Have you outgrown your current home, or are you frankly just kind of sick of living there? Maybe you're in a spot with where you live out with your home where you're like, hey, I have to do a lot of updates, I have to do a lot of improvements, and I really don't want to do that. However, I look at where interest rates are at right now, and interest rates are north of 7%, and I have a 4% interest rate. I would love to move. I'd love to get that bigger space. I'd love to get that newer, updated kitchen, but I'm not going to sacrifice my interest rate. Well, listen, this is Andy Liechty with Andy Liechty and Associates, a part of FC Tucker. And if you're somebody that is kind of in that boat right now, which there's a lot of people, frankly, in Hamilton County, in the north side of Minneapolis, that are in that boat. I would encourage you to maybe put new construction homes on your radar. I just reached out to several of my builder contacts around here on the north side of Minneapolis and in Hamilton County, and just kind of asked what current incentives they have going on right now, and got response back from several of them, and a lot of them right now are still offering buy down programs for interest rates, and some builders on homes that are ready to move into. So they're brand new construction homes that don't have a buyer yet. Some of them are offering incentives right now where interest rates are as low as 4.75%. Other ones up to maybe 5 or 5.5%. And that is just a huge value for somebody that is maybe looking to update their house. Maybe they need a larger space. But they're really concerned about what they would qualify for from an interest rate perspective. And let me just break down the numbers for you really fast on that. I'm going to make an assumption here right now. Let's say somebody purchased a $500,000 house and they put 20% down. So that would be $100,000 down, and that would be a $400,000 mortgage. Right now, if you bought a resale property and the rate was 7.25%, which is about what it is today, the principal and interest on that payment every month would be about a little over $2,700. However, if you bought a $500,000 house and put $100,000 down for a $400,000 mortgage, and even if you bought a new construction home where the interest rate was only 5.5%, that payment slides down to just under $2,300 a month. So you're saving $458 a month, or $5,500 a year, right? And over the course of a 30-year loan, believe it or not, that's $165,000 of interest that you're saving. Now, let's say you're somebody that maybe you'd be interested in making a move, and you're able to find one of those builders that is offering the 4.75% on an existing brand new construction that's ready to go. Your payment would be under $2,100. Again, as opposed to over $2,700 if you were to buy a resale home at rates at about 7.25% right now. So that would be a savings of almost $650 a month, which is over $7,700 a year, and almost $250,000 of interest, about $230,000 over the life of the loan, over 30 years. So again, if you're somebody out there that's looking to make a move, I definitely would put new construction on your radar. And as a matter of fact, here at Andy Liechty and Associates, we've created a new construction home package, and it highlights 9 different builders and 43 different neighborhoods here in central Indiana, specifically Hamilton County and the north side of Indianapolis. So if that's something that you'd be interested in receiving, I'd encourage you just to reach out to us. You can comment, you can DM us, you can text us, call us, whatever the case may be, and we would be happy to get that in your hands. Also, if you would like more education on how to really maximize the new construction opportunity, kind of the process and the approach that you need to have, I have a link to a website down in the description below. It's a free presentation. I would encourage you to take a look at that and really just educate yourself. When you're thinking about making a move, it's important to know all your options. And this may just be an option that you would want to consider. And we would love to be your one-stop shop for knowing what all of your options could be to maximize the opportunity that's going on in today's real estate market. This is Andy Liechty with Andy Liechty and Associates, a part of FC Tucker, and we're never too busy for your referrals. Thanks so much.